Hey everyone. In this video we're going to go ahead and we are going to go through some of the basic HTML tags. So we're going to start by creating a new file. So you should already have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. You're going to go to the File menu, you're going to create a new file, and then you're going to call it, we'll call it demo.html. I'm going to save that file to the hard drive of my computer. And then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to start my code. So in HTML, all elements you use should have an opening and a closing tag. But first, we're just going to start by starting the HTML document altogether. So to do this, you're going to do a doctype declaration. You're going to do exclamation point, doctype. You can see that my code editor is being helpful and making suggestions to me, but I'm going to go ahead and just manually type it out just so that you can get the experience doing it. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up our HTML. So every HTML element, unless it is a special element that does not close, and we'll get to some of those in a minute, but we're just going to start with opening and closing tags. So we're going to first start by, we're going to tell the browser that our HTML is here, and then you're going to notice that my code editor adds this helpful closing tag for my HTML. I want to look a little more closely at this closing tag. So when you open an element, you are saying, hey browser, this is what we are beginning to do. As we continue through, we're going to have a variety of elements laid out on our page. And so every opening tag tells your browser to load the element that is tagged, and then your browser will interpret the code and show it to your site visitors. So you're going to start with an opening HTML and a closing HTML, and this closing tag always starts with a /, and I read this / in my head as end. So this opening tag here is, hey browser, open up the HTML, and this closing tag here is, hey browser, this is the end of my HTML.